Before we start, quick question. Why did Rigatoni break up with tomato sauce? Because the relationship got too saucy. Yeah, that joke was al dente. But I'm Chef Dick. This is Cooked or Cap. Today we're talking about something that divides kitchens everywhere. Should you rinse your pasta after cooking it? Some people swear by it, others think it's a culinary crime. So today, we're finding out if rinsing pasta is cooked or cap. You've probably heard this before. Rinse your pasta so it stops cooking. Rinse it so it doesn't stick all together there in the colander. Some people rinse it until it's completely cold. But what if I told you rinsing pasta is actually ruining one of the most important parts of pasta cooking? There's actually a reason this myth started. In older kitchens and cafeterias, pasta often sat for a long time before serving. Rinsing it cooled it down and stopped it from clumping. In large-scale food productions, rinsing helped pasta hold its shape. But for most home cooking, that rinsing is doing more harm than good. When pasta cooks, the surface releases starch. That starch is incredibly important because it helps sauce stick to the pasta. When you rinse pasta underwater, you essentially wash all that starch away, which means your sauce slides right off the noodle. Instead of pasta coated in sauce, you get sauce sitting at the bottom of that bowl like a sad puddle. Notice something here. We're not rinsing, we're actually doing the opposite. We're adding pasta directly into the sauce. All right, so now what we're going to do is add our pasta directly into the sauce. This is our cooked pasta, not rinsed. Very sticky, as you can see. Now our secret ingredient, this is liquid gold, my starchy pasta water. So I'm gonna turn this bad boy up, get it going, just a little bit in there. I talked about that was liquid gold. All right, starchy pasta water helps emulsify the sauce and makes everything silky. That's the secret to restaurant pasta. Let's see what the internet says. I rinse pasta because my mom always did. Respectfully, moms are amazing, but they're not always Italian or correct. If you don't rinse it, it sticks together. That's what the sauce is for. Don't let it just sit there all hot. Get it in the sauce right away. I rinse it to stop the cooking. The second it leaves boiling water, it's basically done. There's one time you should rinse pasta, cold dishes, like pasta salad, because you want the noodles to be cooled down. So let's settle it. Should you rinse your pasta after cooking it? If you're making your pasta with sauce, that idea, cap. Absolutely not. You want that sauce to stick and get in those little tiny grooves in the pasta. But rinsing pasta for pasta salad, that's cooked. You can do that. If you've been rinsing your pasta your whole life, no shame. But today, we and you level up. Drop the next cooking myth in the comments. I'm Chef Dick. This was Cooked or Cap. Oh,
Dude, that's so good.
the sauce is amazing. Pasta was perfect.